Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About s to the power of 5, we can put into s and s squared to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have to ask ds. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u, this one we change by u, s ds we change by this one. Next, we need to use about integration by pass. So I will put about t equals to arctan of u. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have du over 1 plus u squared. dv, I will choose about 1 over 2 u squared du. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 u to the power of 3 over 3. So number 2 and number 3, we have u to the power of 3 over 6. So we have t multiplied by v minus we have dt multiplied by v. So we have the integration u to the power of 3 du, and we have 1 plus u squared, and number 6 I will put in here. So we need to add about u. That means we need to minus about u, because I want to create about the factor divided by 1 plus u squared in here. So we can do about factorization. So this one divided by this one, so we have u, and now we will have like this. So the integration of u, we have u squared over 2. The integration of u over 1 plus u squared, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus u squared in here. And then I will put about c. So about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.